Oh, so it's two plate.
Two plates.
Okay, okay.
One for now, one for later.
One for now, one for later. Okay, 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 okay.
So what were you saying about the river?
So now I'm saying if you want to go for a ride, you can go, you know?
And how much is it?
60 a person.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how far is the trip?
It's 45 minutes to an hour. But it's gonna go over that for sure.
Okay.
So normally you can plan for like an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Do you do the limestone here too?
Yeah.
And is that extra or is that included?
It's included from your knee to your toes.
Your toes?
Yeah, but if for the any other part that's extra.
Okay.
And some people do the full body massage. For the
You-
full body is extra.
You see, on the internet they lie and they try to make it seem like the people just put the limestone everywhere.
No. That's the thing. A lot of people come here are scared because what they see on the internet. It's not like, it's just that somebody is just like videoing something. Before you get the limestone massage, are allowed to him to be done. So if you see them touching, it's the ladies.
They'd ask for it.
That's,
Because I've been here many times.
Yeah,
and when I saw that on the internet, I was like, that's not true.
yeah. It's just that somebody from maybe another raft is videoing and
Oh, what's that? It's going.
but he didn't hear the agreement first, you know? Yeah. As you can see, if something bad like that was going on, this would be closed.
Right.
Yeah, it couldn't.
Now, my loyal viewers and subscribers, this is the life we're talking about. Who said Jamaica no nice? I lie them a tell. Tell them say I DJ Slick Father for say I lie them a tell. Look from paradise. Viewers and subscribers, Jamaica is wonderful.
We're gonna do Bamboo Rafts on the dirt river today, alright?
Okay.
Yeah. So, so everything we do on this is great, alright?
Okay.
Yeah. Just get to our going down. And it goes straight to the ocean, about 10 miles down. But we're not going all the way to the ocean, alright?
Okay.
Yeah. We're doing about quarter mile down and quarter mile back.
Okay.
Alright.
Is it dangerous to go beyond the quarter mile? Okay.
Not with bamboos, we'll be holding on to one bamboo for our life if we make it, you know? Yeah. There's a lot of waterfalls and big twist and turn, you know? Yeah.
Do people go swimming in that part?
Some spots are calm, yeah. Going down some spots are calm. You have just rapids, then a calm spot, then a next rapid again, then a calm spot. Yeah. So you can take a dip at some parts there. Right, let's get this thing turned around where you see where you're going, you know?
Okay.
Steer. Get there, ready up the steering early, you know?
Okay. And do you build your own rafts?
Yeah, every captain owns their own raft.
And they build it themselves?
If you're building it by you can, but you need help.
Okay.
Because building a raft by yourself can take you a few months.
Yeah.
But when you get help, depends how many persons helping, it can take just a day, a few hours, you know. So we each help each other to build a raft.
And most of this is family.
Instead of working for the big corporation,
You work for yourself.
you work for yourself, but something like that, you know.
Right.
So it's not like we are working for yourself, but we're still working for the community. Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Instead of the big corporation take away everything, we say, all right, it's best we do it ourselves. That's why sometimes you have a few folks come around, but when they see what we do, they rather do it with us. So we have swim rope. So if you feel like you want to be Tarzan or Jane, yeah, you can go for a swing. I'm not gonna go in the water though.
Didn't even know we were coming when we booked the Airbnb.
Yeah.
But how would someone find you versus Chaka?
Mostly on social media, Instagram at RiseTour, Jamaica.com, or my telephone number, or from a friend, like you recommend somebody.
Right.
It's not like we have at the tour, at the hotel, you're going to find somebody selling us like how they sell
For
Chaka.
sure.
You know, somebody you will have to talk to like a local driver, and then the local drivers will bring you to us.
Okay.
Yeah, instead of, because they rather support us. So these bricks were put together with molasses and cow blood. Yeah.
And you said 1862?
1828.
1828.
Yeah, it was built. It's never been refurbished, never been worked on. And but if you're a person who like to be proud, then if you're here 12, 1 o'clock, then it's packed, you know?
Okay.
It's like a traffic jam, you can't even move good, you know?
Right.
Yeah, but now you're just by yourself, you park, you
Relax.
without somebody videoing you differently. So, alright, next thing, limestone. So, in Jamaica you have 2 different kind of limestone. You have the hard one, what they use to make houses, and the soft one. It's good. You rub them together, they exfoliate. The cream from this, you get a mosquito bite and it's itching. You rub it on it and get rid of the itch. You have eczema, any kind of pimple on the face, anywhere, you rub it. And you let it sit for about 5 to 6 minutes, for about 10 days every day. And you get rid of the rash and clear up your eczema and all these things. Yeah.
Nice.
So this is what they used to do the mud bath. The massage.
The massage.
Okay.
Yeah. And the massage come in your toe, complimentary from your knee to your toes. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. And I think you know limestone in every filter, every water where you can drink, it's because of limestone. Even in the state. Yeah.
It cleans the water,
Yeah, it's a filter.
purifies
So
it.
in Jamaica, this is. And you can see this water contain its constant flow. So it's not like a swampy area. It has limestone that kill 87% of the germs, and then it's moving. So this water is fairly clean. You know,
Okay.
I wouldn't recommend for you to drink it because I know everybody it may react to your system
Differently.
But most people from the village or close to the river can just take it and drink just like that.
I have an idea for you.
What's that idea?
You should sell these.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we do. You have ladies who come
So
from the
buy
state
it.
with big bags who do massage back home. It's a big thing
Okay.
because most of their customer that this is what they want to be rubbed with. You know, so if you have ladies just come to Jamaica just to get limestone to bring back. Yeah. Alright, bamboo, what we used to make the rafts. So, bamboo is the fastest growing plant we have in Jamaica. The older shoot of a bamboo says to grow like 3 inches per day, but the younger shoot can grow up to 6 inches every day.
3 inches per day?
Yeah, but the younger shoot of a bamboo can grow like 6 inches every day. So it's like you can literally sit and watch the bamboo grow, you know?
Wow.
Yeah. Jamaica, as Metele, was a plantation, so we used to have a lot of slaves. So the slave masters know breadfruit, when it comes around a lot. So there was enough to feed. So this fruit is from India, but it becomes so famous now. It's a part of Jamaica national dish. It's roast breadfruit, ackee, and saltfish. Yeah. So breadfruit can be roast or boiled. different taste. Boil is more like a potato. Roast is more like a loaf of bread. That's why the name breadfruit.
Okay.
Or fried.
Or
Okay.
This is where you get your limestone foot massage done, alright?
Okay.
Yeah. So you just take your shoes off, just push them behind. Alright, I just want to show you something before you all do that. You know what kind of rock these are? Flintstone.
Okay.
So it's the stone where them used to make fire, you know?
Okay.
And if you rub them together like for a good while, it's not gonna light, but you can smell like fire. So what people say now, alright, you know the limestone keeps the water clean. This one, if you put your feet in, you'll feel the temperature for most people, they would say it's cold, but it's cool. Care how hot the time is, this water most rivers will remain cool because of these stones, they say. Alright. In a minute, let me go get something right down here and come back.
So how is your visit to Jamaica so far?
So far, everything is wonderful. It's amazing here.
Can you tell your audience where are you?
I'm on the Great River in Montego Bay, Jamaica.
Okay.
It's Friday, the day of Sunfest.
So you're going to Sunfest later?
Yes. It's a festival night one.
Okay.
Beautiful lady, beautiful flowers. And I'll have to do a speech to giving you that too. You know, a flowers will eventually wither up and die. Or the beauty would fade. But it's just something to reflect how beautiful you are, alright?
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Your beauty will never go away. You are the flower, alright?
Thank you.
Yeah. Alright. Let's get some massage done now. So you're gonna just twitch a bit. Just twitch your legs. Yeah. No. Go back. Go back. No. Just go back a bit. With the this way a bit. This way a bit. Alright. Yeah. Twitch now. Yeah. Bit more comfy.
Yeah.
Cool, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright.
It's not that bad.
If it was booming too much, then that would be messed up.
And it's cultural.
Yeah. Nothing.
Come back to your man life. Next minute you're gone away.
Like you did it on the river.
I did his last night.
Alright. You see it? So you will have to do yours tonight, huh? And
Yeah.
tomorrow night. And the other night.
He always takes care of me.
Yeah.
That's
how
true
it
love.
That's how it should be.
That's right.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
take care of each other.
Yeah, man.
Touch is really important.
Yeah.
And there's nothing like the touch of a Jamaican.
Alright, put this one over. Yeah. Is our most main source of income. So a lot of big hotels. So when you know more than one language, and most of the hotels are Spanish one. So a lot of Spanish, and you have a lot of Spanish coming into Jamaica too. So when you can speak Spanish, you get the jobs faster. Yeah, so if you have a next language too, perfect.
Right.
They will be begging you to work for them, not you.
Not the other way
yeah,
around.
not the other way around. You know. You
I
can
teach international students. I'm an ESL teacher.
Okay. So in Jamaica now too, same thing. Jamaica is English, or that's our main first language,
Right.
English. Then Patois, that's Jamaican dialogue what we talk to our friends with, you know?
And that's what I explain to people. That's what I explain to people. Patois is English. If you listen, you can understand.
It's
It's only a dialect of English.
Yeah.
And if you look around the world and you go around the world, like to Britain or any other place, any other country that speaks English, you just hear the different dialects. It's the way of the common people and how they speak.
That's the thing with Patois too. As I said, it's English, but they say it's broken. A bit of French, a bit of few language, Spanish, because it's made up of all the people who had conquered Jamaica. You know, we were conquered by the Spaniard, the French, and the English.
Right.
So it's made up mainly of those three languages, and the English is more stronger.
Right.
You just gotta listen. It's just that we make a big sentence, and meanwhile we're just saying hello.
Right.
You know,
Yeah.
we just put a lot of things in it to confuse you. We say hi at first, and you know we said hi. And then we say a lot of other things.
Right.
And then you're like, what did he say? But we just said hi. That's all,
That's
you know? But if you just need to get the first thing and the last thing. Don't follow the middle. The middle is just a lot of garbage to get you confused. Yeah. To let you think, oh wait, he's talking so, it's been a long time, they must be talking about something. No, we're just saying hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Didn't even know about Spain. The only place we would know about is America. Because that's where everybody wanted to go. Yeah. You would just, if somebody say, okay, I'm leaving Jamaica, that you would just assume, hey, he's going to America, maybe. You know, that because we thought that was the only place differently. It was just America, and we know Americans speak English, so we didn't really think about one next language or anything like that, you know?
So he was like, you're with Oniel? And then we were like, yeah, they knew already.
Yeah. Let me tell you, first thing, you can't live without Jamaica. Let me tell you. You think, even if you're there, you think you can live without Jamaica, you just don't know it yet. You know, a friend will soon tell you, and you will have to come. But when you come, as you just ask around, best person to ask for is Oniel. Or you go on rice tour if you're you want to find me up, you check me out on rice tour at Jamaica, ricetourjamaica.com. Perfecto. And on the river, you know, Jamaica, we are all chill people. Really laid back folks, we are really friendly.
Yeah.
You just come and you chill. It's a nice, on the river too especially, it's the best place to chill. In the sun, in the shade, I'm telling you need to come.
He's not lying. I've traveled here many times, all by myself. From the countryside up in Clarendon to Kingston. Never had a problem. The Airbnb is beautiful. It's quiet, it's comfortable. The host, Oniel, is great. I couldn't have stayed at a better place. Okay. Unit.
No. Take a look.
Oh, lime.
Okay. And you know what this is?
Sugarcane.
Yeah. So I'm going to make you try sugarcane, and I can tell you've never tried sugarcane like this before.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think they stole my playlist.
Yeah. So he says he's a big fan of reggae music for them. Reggae dance.
Ever since I was a teenager.
Yeah. So what brought you to Jamaica the first time?
The first time?
The first time. Vacation, just the music, the culture.
The culture.
The culture, okay. For most people, that's how it goes.
Yeah.
It's always mostly the culture, the Bob Marley, the weed.
It wasn't the weed. I don't smoke weed.
Me just say so, something about the culture, the food, you know.
What I learned when I came, I went to go stay in Clarendon.
Okay.
But I learned the difference between country
And town.
and town.
Yeah. All right, you're just gonna hold it. Just hold everything there.
Oh.
And break it. All right. Give me the line. All right, just put it in the middle of your palm out. Just put it in the middle. Everything, yeah. All right, turn it. All right. It's split in 4 so you can open it.
Okay.
Yeah. So you just try one.
That's good.
Different cane, huh?
Different
I
cane.
tell you, different sugar cane, yeah.
Sugarcane with lime.
Sugar cane with lime. So we just make you some lemonade. Because the sugar cane is sweet and you just put some lime on it to make you some lemonade, you know? Yeah. Jamaican whole. Sugar cane before bananas. It used to be sugar cane. So the whole of Jamaica used to be just sugar cane. And then sugar was out, then after then bananas. And then they used to do oranges too. They used to have a lot of orange farm, sugarcane, banana. Let me see if I can catch dinner. So in this river, we have shrimp. But our shrimps, they live underneath the rocks.
Okay.
So to get one, you will have to move a rock. Oh, no. We're not lucky today. I guess we'll be just drinking water. Water for dinner, no shrimp.
What kind of fish are indigenous to the river?
So we have drummers, perch, bass, snook, eels. And
Eels?
yeah. In shell you have turtles, crab, shrimp.
Turtles?
Yeah,
Okay.
You said eel is in the water.
yeah.
Is eel a dangerous fish?
No. Not a dangerous fish. Some people think it's dangerous, but it's not. You know, but it can be. If it's threatened, then you know it's like a snake. It will wrap. If your foot, it will wrap you and squeeze it just like a snake. But it's most likely, as soon as you hear a few move with the water, it's out of there. Yeah, yeah. So you won't even
Okay.
get to see one. Yeah.
And what is the favorite?
From growing up, we hear most of the artists singing about this is what you need to please your lady better, you know? So most is steam. Yeah. So escovitch and brown stew is a bit new. Most people just think it was just steam fish. You know, that's how it should be eaten.
You know, now that you're talking about steam fish, maybe that's how steam music came about.
Maybe, yeah, maybe, yeah. But that's what most people used to talk about. When you're talking about, if you say, okay, I'm going to do some fish, nobody would ask what you're going to do with it. Are you going to fry it?
Fry
Are you
it.
going to, you know, compulsory is going to steam with some okra.
It's so beautiful, peaceful, quiet, relaxing. Best spot so far.
Okay. That's beautiful.
All right.
And how long have you been doing this? How long have you been on the raft?
All right. I've been doing bamboo rafting. I'm 40 years old. I've been doing this professionally from about 17.
17?
Yeah. So that's
Okay.
about 23
23 years.
Yeah. But I grew up in this river. As a kid, the first chance we get, as
You
our
get
mom
in
is
the
not
river.
looking, we're at the river, you know? Even when we get the threat, you don't go to the river today. Oh, no. he said he's sure he could go about the next 15 or 20 more feet. You know? So you have different depths. Like right here now, as you can see, I put on the stick.
That's one
Shallow.
foot.
Yeah. But then now you go over a bit more, it's gonna get maybe about 4 or 5 feet. But what we're doing today, the deepest spot we're passing is about 12 or 13 feet. Where the swing ropes are, yeah, so about 13 feet or 12 feet, yeah.
Nice.
Now there's this myth that mermaids in the river are what some sort of mystical creature. Is there truth to that?
I've been hearing a lot about that too. And for me, it's a myth because I've never seen one myself.
Yeah.
And as I tell you, we grew up in the river. We used to, one of our favorite times to come to the river used to be night. Because we used to play hide and seek in the water. So you know it's dark, we used to come in night. When they said the mermaids would come out. And we have never seen one. I've never heard of somebody who said they have seen one in this village, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, I've never. So
you think that's a
to
mystical
me, I
myth?
think it's a myth.
Yeah.
You know?
Alright.
I'm not saying it's unreal, but for me, I think it's a myth.
Good day for everybody.
Yeah. If you look across now, you can see the guys then they get one blue boat ready. Yeah. Mr. Eric.
Greetings. When you reach to a smaller part,
Alright, take a good look. Look at this and look at that. You see it? You see the difference? See how clear here is? Look at what this limestone will get rid of all the dead cell. You know, so it's good for brighten up any dark spot after shave too. You know?
okay.
Yeah. So we bleach her out, you know?
I was gonna say I didn't need no bleach.
Yeah, some bleaching
I
cream,
need
you know?
some dye.
Cool like you wash your foot with the cake soap. And this is also like a natural sunblock too. If you go from the ocean, you can take a sun and you want sunblock, you just rub the limestone for yourself. See if you can get in sunburn.